Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel again. Today we'll be doing a video about how to slip back your teeny weeny afro. So for all my girls out there that like to keep their hair short but they still want to have a nice look, you can watch this video from start to finish. So the first thing that I'm doing is that I'm adding a mousse to my hair and I'm rubbing in that. I have low porosity and low density hair, so I'm using the mousse so my hair has a lot of volume in it. I'm now using my Eternio moisturizer, and because of my low porosity I have to use a lot of moisturizer in my hair, especially when my hair is wet. I can't wait until my hair is dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my hair. When applying products to your hair, please ensure that you rub in the products properly, please. If you don't do that, you will not get the results that you want and your hair won't be healthy. Okay guys? So I'm rubbing that product into my hair. I need my hair to grow because it ain't growing. After applying that product, I'm now applying another moisturizer to my hair because my hair is thirsty. Okay, so because I have low porosity hair, it doesn't matter how much moisturizer I put in my hair, it still will seem as if my hair is really dry. So I have to use at least 2 or 3 products in my hair to moisturize my hair. And I'm rubbing in that product in my hair once more. And after that, we're going to use the big product, Eco Styler Gel. If you haven't gotten yourself an Eco Styler Gel, please go and cop one at the beauty store. So I'm parting my hair now and I'm going to comb it down. After I comb it down, then I'm going to use a brush. And I'm using a thick brush that's used for natural hair. So you can get that in any beauty store. And after I part my hair and comb it down, then I'm gonna brush it down to ensure that it's slicked down. It doesn't really matter if you part your hair neatly or shabby. As long as you part it and you apply the gel and you get it slicked down, you'll be fine. The real parting is when you reach to the top. That one has to be really neat. So I'm applying the gel, then I'm combing it down, then I'm using the brush to slick down the hair. And I repeat this process for the entire time until I reach the top of my hair. And ensure that you brush down your hair with a little force to ensure your hair stays down, because my hair seems to be a little bit stubborn, but with a lot of pressure on the brush it actually stays down until I'm ready to tie it down. Okay, when you reach the top of your hair, ensure that you slip back the sides properly, because what I have is a tapered cut and I had to slip back the sides down really good so the hair will stay down and look neat. While I'm tapering down my hair and I'm slicking back my hair, I'm wondering, did you like this video yet? Did you click that subscribe button? I can't believe you didn't. Go ahead and click that like button and subscribe. Thank you. Don't mind me dancing, I'm always dancing. Who doesn't dance while doing their hair? If you ain't dancing while you're doing your hair, you ain't having fun. Okay? Okay, so I'm at the top now. When you're at the top, it might be a little bit tricky because when the back hole slit down properly, the top might be a little bit taller and you might have a few problematic areas. The only thing that you really need to do is to continue the same process and apply a little bit more pressure than you were before to ensure that your hair is slit down. Okay, so I'm at the top now, and this is the part that you want to pay attention to. I'm trying to make my part as neat as possible so my hair can have a neat look. So I'm parting my hair and ensuring that it's parted really good, and then I apply the gel and I slick it down with the gel and the brush again. Alright, now we reach at the top and we are perfecting this look. I am ensuring that all my hairs are slicked down. I am adding extra gel to ensure that every area of my hair is down. There are no flyaways or anything like that. And I'm just perfecting this teeny weeny afro slit down. I'm using my brush again to ensure that everything is down and perfecting this really. After getting all the ears done, I'm going to try to create a wave effect, which I did there. You see what I did there? So this is what it looks like at the front, and this is what it looks like at the back. Sorry about the lighting, it wasn't showing so good, but you get the gist. I'm feeling myself, okay? After doing all of that, I'm getting my tie head, and I'm going to use that and cover my head, and I'm gonna let it stay for about 30 minutes to an hour. If you don't have a tie head, you can use one of those strips, one of those edge strips. You can use that around your edges, and then you can use a head tie or anything else to tie down your hair. The goal of tying down your hair is to ensure that your hair dries slicked down. So the goal of this is to let your hair stay down and dry in the same sit down position, and it doesn't lift. So you let that stay for about 30 minutes to an hour, and you'll have your stick look, I guarantee you. So this is what I do in my 30 minutes to an hour. I listen to music and I dance until my hair is dried. Yeah. And this is the finished look. I'm gonna give you a moment to look, okay? This is what a teeny weeny afro slit down looks like. And because your hair is slit down, to have a bold look, you can just add a red lipstick. I look fine. And this is what it looks like from the back. If you like this look, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this look as much as I did, comment in the comment section, people. Leave your comments, leave your likes. Don't forget to subscribe. I am really feeling this look. Thank you for watching. Bye.